Kuma na gikeno kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Moi kaunti-ini ya Mombatha thutha wa agendi 180 kuma bururi-ini wa Ukraine gwikinya mwena ucio kuria manyitirwo geni na nyimbo cia unduire iria matigire macanjamukite onao mekora magithia rwimbo. Ino ni ndeto ya gwikira mwihoko munene ruhonge-ini rwa ugendi ruria ruhutitio na njira nene ni king'uki gia COVID-19. Agendi aya megukorwo guku bururi-ini kwa ihinda ria thiku 10.
I have so much emotion from your meeting us. It's absolutely beautiful. I hope that other time gonna be here so beautiful as we arriving. And I think Africa is the future.
Mweke uyu umanite na wiguano uria wikiranirwo ngirimiti gatagati ga thirikari ya bururi wa Ukraine na thirikari ya kaunti ya Mombatha. Neno ni njira imwe ya gukuria ugendi.
Ni shughuli ambayo tumeweza kuifanyia kazi kwa muda wa mwaka mzima kama county government ya Mombasa, na tuna furaha kubwa kwamba ile MOU ambayo tumesign na mji wa Odessa kule Ukraine umeweza sasa kupata matunda na tunayaona sasa wageni wameanza kuingia hapa Mombasa kutoka Ukraine.
Some of the facilities are actually operating between 10 to 30% in terms of their operations. Some have actually literally closed down, and we are doing all we can as a county to ensure that we actually restart tourism not only here but within the coastal counties as well.
Gukinyaniria na riu kaunti ino ni amukirite agendi matanyihiire 400 kuona mwambiririo-ini wa mweri uyu ndege ngino yombire kiharo-ini kiu iri na agendi 189. Arugamiria ruhonge ruru kaunti-ini ya Mombatha makiuga ni kurikoragwo na ndege ingi cia kurehe agendi o thutha wa thiku 10.
Tutakuwa tunapata takriban wageni 200 kutoka Ukraine, na ikifika mwezi wa Septemba mwaka huu zitakuwa sasa zitaongezeka zile ndege mpaka ziwe ndege 3 kwa wiki, ambayo tutakuwa tunatarajia kama wageni zaidi ya 300.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Mombatha iri na mubango wa gwetha mieke ingi na thirikari cia mabũrũri mangi. Muoroto wao wari gukuria utonga wa kaunti iyo undu umwe na wa bũrũri.
Couple of MOUs which are in progress, and we shall keep you updated on the same, particularly in the source markets of Africa and also some countries in Europe, and at the same time also looking at the USA.
Having this tourism board or tourism council, this will be able to bring minds from the stakeholders, the private sector and the county government, and come up with specific ways of marketing Mombasa.
Arugamiriri a mihango ino kuma bururi-ini wa Ukraine ni monanitie kwiganira na ngirimiti iyo, makiuga ugendi uyu ni ukuguna mabũrũri maya meri kiwonjoria. Riri bururi wa Kenya uri na muoroto wa kwamukira agendi milioni 3 kuma bururi-ini ucio.
I hope that all our efforts from government, diplomats and business sector will help us to open Kenya for a wide Ukrainian touristic market.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV Getwo Waithira wa Kihara.